Hey, what's going on, guys? John here at Hemi JL8. Today I'm going to do Destroyer Gray P38's Cold Start Challenge. The first vehicle, as you can see here, is my wife's 2013 Ford Focus. I'm going to start it up first, and I will really be surprised if you can actually hear it. It's really quiet. So here we go. Alright guys, now we're going to do my truck. It is a Ford F-250 with the V10. And as you can see, the Charger there is absolutely filthy. Just me and the wife went to Nashville, Tennessee over the weekend and had some really crappy weather last night on the way home. So, car needs washed once again. Alright guys, now we're going to get the beast started. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is Destroyer Gray P38's Cold Start Challenge. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.